Hi, this is a quick installation video of a bulk ink system on the FI-1000 printer. So right now we have the ink bladders hooked up behind the printer hanging on the wall, but we can put up to 2.5 liters of, we actually use HP OEM ink in these bulk ink systems. And I'm going to show the installation video from it's pretty much just like installing a regular set of cartridges. You just pop these out, take all four of them out. And you can do one color. You can install one color at a time if you want. The black's always a little bit tight in these carriages, which makes it a little bit harder to get it out. And then basically just the reverse, install the bulk ink. It's got the lines hooked to it, but you would just install it just like a regular set of cartridges. Just got to keep it on the line and push each cartridge set. I'm getting the lines confused, but overlapping the cyan, magenta, and the yellow. Yeah, it should keep the lines out, but anyways, it's just if the line routing was better, then once it's installed, the lines just come out the door, and that's pretty much the installation of the bulk ink system. Then you just route it. You can have the bladders on top of the printer or hanging behind the printer, and that's it. Thanks.